Assalamu alaikum. I just recently bought a Nutribullet and I thought I'll make a small video of it. If in case you plan to buy it, the video will help you inshallah. So what does it come with? I bought a 600 watt motor. So with that came a 700 ml tall cup and two 500 ml cups and the user guide, some lids, lip ring and two blades. One is a milling blade and one is an extractor blade. So I heard, I'm not very sure, I heard the 900 watt base comes with a 900 ml tall cup. I'm really not sure about it, but this is what I have heard. Let me show you how it works. Now I'm making a smoothie of all the nuts and dates, and I think I blended it only for 12 seconds or maximum of 15 seconds. You need to do it only for 60 seconds. The Nutribullet, you can blend only for 60 seconds, then you need to rest and again blend it. But believe me, you don't need that 60 seconds also. This was like, okay, maximum of 15 seconds and the smoothie was ready to drink. So that's how it is easy, and there is no buttons and all. It's just 600 watt directly. You just twist it and the smoothie is ready, be it fruits or vegetables, everything, anything. Doesn't require 60 seconds also. Now that was the extractor blade. Now I'm using a milling blade. If you want to make anything powder like a rice powder or anything, this recipe required roasting, so I had to roast it. Yeah, and this I think I did it only for 9 seconds or maybe maximum 10 seconds, but I needed it coarse. So if you want something very powdery also, maybe like 20 seconds, that's it. You don't need 60 seconds also. That's it. The powder was ready. Let's compare a Nutribullet with a blender. Nutribullet, I've been using both, of course, blender for a long time, but from the time I bought a Nutribullet is like daily I use it, and blender I use it very rarely now. And Nutribullet takes a small space in your kitchen counter than normal blenders. And what else? And very easy. Nutribullet is very easy to clean. There's no rubbers or nothing. It's very easy to clean. And what else? Also, it is dishwasher safe. Of course, it comes with its drawbacks, right? It is like, you can make, if you have a very big family, it's a small thing. You just can make a maximum of 700 ml or 900 ml, whichever watts you buy it. So that is a drawback. Either if you have a big family, you have to make it in batches. That's one drawback. The other thing is expensive. Yes, Nutribullet is expensive, but it's worth buying. It's worth buying just because of its power. Just fast and everything is very smooth compared to a blender. Nutribullet's quality, if you see the smoothie, it's much more smoother than a normal blender. So I hope I've helped you in making up your mind. If you plan to buy a Nutribullet, just go for it. You're not going to regret your decision. It's really worth buying.